Hello all and welcome to Time to Upskill. Today we're going to learn about Agile. Agile is the talk of the town in most of the corporate companies, which definitely is helping them to succeed in a lot of ways. Get yourself know about what this Agile is all about. So, what is Agile? In simple terms, Agile means to do things better. Whatever activities you do it better is what Agile says. When we look into the definition of Agile, Agile is an iterative approach to project management and software development that helps teams deliver value to their customers faster and effectively. So Agile is not only for project management and software development, it can be implemented anywhere. Agile is an iterative process, which means it makes progress with successive refinement. Agile works on iteration. An iteration is a set amount of time reserved for development. Typically, iterations last 1 to 2 weeks, however, some may go as long as 4 weeks. In each iteration, we are expected to make improvement. For example, a development team takes a first cut at a system, knowing it is incomplete or weak in some areas. The team then iteratively refines those areas until the product is satisfactory. With each iteration, the software is improved through the addition of greater detail. This is what Agile is all about. Do it better. Now, let us see the history of Agile. It started in 1970 with the waterfall model. In 1991, Scrum was conceived. Most of us are aware of Scrum, one of the famous Agile methodology. And in 1995, Scrum was codified and was put in use. In 2001, the Agile Manifesto was created. Now, let us see how does this Agile work. Agile methodologies are people-oriented, more than process-oriented. Agile methods state that no process will ever make up the skill of the team, so the role of the process is to support the team in their work. Agile works on the Agile Manifesto. The Agile Manifesto is comprised of 4 foundational values and 12 supporting principles which lead the Agile approach in all activities. Let us start with Agile values. Each Agile methodology applies the 4 values in different ways. Here are the 4 values. Number 1. Individuals and interactions over processes and tools. We need to value people more highly than processes or tools. Number 2. Working software over comprehensive documentation. Agile does not eliminate documentation, but it streamlines it in a better way. Number 3. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Involve the customer throughout, which makes things easier and avoid a lot of rework. And finally, number 4, responding to change over following a plan. In Agile's view, changes always improve a project. Changes provide additional value. These are the 4 foundational values of Agile. Now let's see the 12 Agile principles. 1. Customer satisfaction through early and continuous software delivery. 2. Accommodate changing requirements through the development process. 3. Frequent delivery of working software. 4. Collaboration between the business stakeholders and developers throughout the project. 5. Support, trust, and motivate the people involved. 6. Enable face-to-face interactions. 7. Working software is the primary measure of progress. 8. Agile processes to support a consistent development pace. 9. Attention to technical detail and design enhances agility. 10. Simplicity. 11. Self-organizing teams encourage great architectures, requirements, and designs. 12. Regular reflections on how to become more effective. The Agile values and Agile principles form the Agile Manifesto, which is the lifeline of Agile. There are different Agile methodologies used in different organizations. Some of them are Scrum, Kanban, Just-in-Time, Extreme Programming, XP, Learn Development, Crystal, Let us see some Agile practices which are used in these Agile methodologies. Number 1. Daily stand-ups. This is a daily catch-up with the team to understand if any blockers and discuss progress of work. Number 2. Value stream mapping. This helps in analyzing the current state and designing a future state. Number 3. Social contract. This is an agreement that a team makes within itself to describe how the team members will behave and work together. Number 4. Retrospective. This is a meeting held at the end of an iteration. The team reflects on what happened in the iteration and identifies actions for improvement going forward. Number 5. Wall of work. This is used to communicate the stages of your project within your team. Here is one example of how you can work Agile. This shows us how to work on backlogs. This is a funnel of work. When you push the backlog within the funnel all at one time, the work done is lesser than expected. Agile says, minimize work in progress, slow down to do more. This will help to have a better outcome. It is the pull strategy. The team will pull the work from the portfolio funnel of work based on the bandwidth. This pattern achieves a better outcome as per Agile. Every organization has at any given point in time at least one constraint which limits the system's performance relative to its goal, as per Dr. Eliyahu M. Goldratt. In the current corporate life, we face a lot of challenges at work, like too much work, pressure to deliver, stressed and/or disengaged teams, missed targets. Agile helps you to overcome these challenges, so let's do it the Agile way. As per Albert Einstein, learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is to not stop questioning, which is Agile all about. So all the best in implementing Agile at your work with the Agile values and principles. Thank you, and please subscribe to our channel. Time to upskill.